wudu and ghusl. What's the sunnah way of rinsing the mouth and nose during wudu and ghusl? The most authentic opinion is that rinsing your mouth and nose are part or is part of your ghusl and of your wudu. And how to do this, the sunnah way, is to get a scoop of water in your right hand and you put half of it in your mouth and pull with your breath the other half up your nostrils to the best of your ability without harming yourself. And then blow your nose. Forcefully take the water out so it rinses your nose. And of course you spit the water in your mouth, which you have turned right and left, swirled it in your mouth, and you spit it out. You do this once, twice, or 3 times at most, but not more than that. This is the sunnah way. The other way, which is applicable but not sunnah, is that you simply swirl the water in your mouth and spit it out. Then you pull the water up your nostrils and you blow it out in separate movements or turns or ways. And this is not from the sunnah, but this is valid and it's okay to do, inshallah.